Hey, welcome back to No Garage Garage. And I'm in Robert's garage. Hey, look. See how bright that is? Holy crap. Let me turn that light off. It's one of them LED fan lights. Oh, fuck, it's bright. That son of a bitch is bright. So, what I'm doing today, and I started recording late, is I went, bought me an engine stand. Actually off Facebook Marketplace. It was still brand new. So that I can take this motor, put it on there, and start the process of tearing it down, finding out what I got, looking at some numbers, looking them up. Not a whole lot bolted on there. The center head's not bolted on, the valve covers aren't bolted on. I do have the flex plate for that. I do have the headers to go on there. I don't have a water pump. I don't have a housing for the thermostat, and over here is where the fuel pump goes. Oh, and I don't have a carburetor. So yeah, there's that. But it's a good start. I also have the C4 transmission that will bolt up to it eventually and go into the 65 Mustang, and that's what we decided to do, was to go with the 65 Mustang as a roadsteration, as Dylan McCool would call it. And yeah, so look, I got merch. You'll find that down in the description of the video. This is just gonna be a short video, me putting this thing on the engine stand and maybe doing a little bit of tearing into it. Maybe get the oil pan off, because I pulled the dipstick, which is wild looking, by the way. And there was nothing on it. So when I got it, there had not been spark plugs in it, and there still hasn't been spark plugs in it. So I'm concerned about water getting down in there. So I want to get it opened up, get it dried out if there is water in there. My plan is to kick the bitchin' Camaro out of the shop. Yes, I'm going to use a garage for this. It's hot in here. I'm going to pay Robert, my buddy Robert, I'm going to pay him to let me rent this side of the garage where the Camaro is, because he doesn't mind letting that sit outside. So I'm going to pay him to allow me to do that, and what I'll do is I'll set the motor up over there. I'm going to set up a table and just do a full teardown. I've never done a full teardown. I've done crank and bearings, you know, new rod bearings, new main bearings, new crank, but I have never pulled pistons or nothing like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tear the motor completely down, lay it out on the table, find out what's good, what's not. I am getting a new bearing kit for it, but I got to find out what I need. I'm told it's a built motor. I don't know. I really don't know. But I want the block to be bare, nothing in it. Same with the heads. Well, I'm not going to tear apart the heads. I'm just going to take the heads with the block to a machine shop, get it inspected, make sure everything is good, get the freeze plugs changed, get it cleaned, and then start the process of putting it back together. So, that said, let's get to work. Alright, so I ran into a bit of an issue. I mean, the motor's on the stand, just with these top bolts, and they're bottomed out. There's no more thread available. So I need to come up with some washers to shim that, and I can't use the bottom. The problem I'm having is I don't have long enough bolts. So I'm going to have to take one of these bolts tomorrow to the hardware store. Like right now, I just have to get this thing out of the way so Robert can park his Jeep in here. But I'm going to have to take bolts tomorrow to the hardware store, pick up some bolts, a bunch of washers to fit through these things here. And I think once I've got bolts for that all four of them, I'll be able to manipulate this to where I can put all four bolts in. Right now I'm not comfortable with, I'm fine with the chain fall, even though it's some skinny ass chain. I'm fine with the chain fall, but I'm not okay with, I'm not going to turn the motor over and try and take anything apart. I'm sweating like crazy. So I'm kind of at a standstill. I got to call my buddy that let me borrow the chain fall and let him know I'm keeping it until tomorrow, and why I'm keeping it until tomorrow. He'll be okay, I hope. It's Robert's son, by the way. Oh, look, darkness. Gotta love that. Anyway, I got the big fucking fan running because it's hot. It's just been, no matter what, here, I unplugged it. No matter what, it's humid. It's not, the temperature is in like the lower 80s, I think. I don't know, where's my phone? I didn't need that anyway. What did I do with my phone? I don't know. I probably left it in the truck. So yeah. Let's find my phone. Oh, no, it's sitting on the bed of my truck. It is almost 8 o'clock. It's 82 degrees. And I think tomorrow's high is going to be 88. Today's high was 85. Sunday's 89. Oh, good. Next week, no rain. Gets back in the 90s. Of course, though, we're getting into August. After August starts cooling off, I can get a bunch of crap done. So let's go back over to the motor. This is a 289. I'm told it is a 65 289. I need to find the numbers on it, look them up. And then, yeah, I should get this stuff out of the way because I got to take that down. I'll probably just run the chain off to the side somewhere out of the way. Because I'm going to have to hook it back up tomorrow to lift it again. But in all honesty, I should probably make sure this stuff isn't going to fall anywhere. I forgot I don't have widescreen turned on no more. I had widescreen on, and I think that's why I kept catching my fingers. But I need two hands to take that off. I think that's why I kept catching my finger in the lens. I don't know, we'll find out, I guess. So let's see. Oh, it's the bat lady. Alright. That was the wifey poo. The bat lady. Cat lady. Dog lady. Whatever you want to call her. I'm whispering. You can't hear me. So, I've got to start cleaning out a spot over here. And, move the motor over here. This will be fun. Okay, that was simple enough. It's out of his way right now. Should probably pick up my tools, but it's out of his way. So I was trying to find the casting numbers on it. I have to look up where to find them, so I can see what I actually have. I do have a set of long tube headers for it, which will make it sound good. Good! Good it will! Jenny's coming over and gonna help me. I don't know what she's gonna help me. She's not really gonna help me with anything. Yeah. So, this is a short one, isn't it? Another short one. I am going to be getting to the videos with the next project soon. They are coming up. Let's see. Size of that, 17. Sorry, I'm putting my stuff away. Always put your tools away. Usually I'd clean them too, but I don't know. I'm not. I try and take care of my tools. My ex-father-in-law taught me that. Always take care of your tools. I try. The people that don't try are my kids. Why is it darker out here in the sunlight than it is in there? With the LEDs I put up. Anyway, alright. I'm sure my finger's in the way. It's always in the way. There's really nothing left to do with this. Don't forget, all my socials are down in the description. Merch down in the description. I mean, it's as cheap as I could get it. You do have to pay shipping, I think, and I paid full price. I don't get free stuff from the store that I'm using. With shipping, I paid $33 and some change. The shirt itself is $25. Most of the shirts are $25. Some go to 4X, some go to 5X. There's a couple different style shirts with a couple of different colors. I didn't have a lot to select from. What else is there? Hoodie. sweatshirt. And they're reasonably priced. I think the hoodies are like $35 plus tax and shipping. So it's not terrible. I mean, like I said, for a $25 shirt, tax and shipping, I paid 33 and some change. And it does take, I think it's been a week and a half since I ordered it. I got it today. I am sweating. It feels real good. The print is really good. I believe the reason why it takes so long to get to you is because they are printed to order. And this is the logo that I use on everything. So I still got to change my YouTube profile picture. Talking about wives, here's my wife. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Sorry it was so short, but yeah, bye. My wife went and spent some money on some 1965 rims, hubcaps. These are just spore lugs. They're for the other car. All 4 hubcaps, and they're in really good shape. Anyway, I said bye once. Say bye. Bye. Okay, bye.